Hi everyone, welcome to Hunters Connect. I'm Dale, and in this video we'll be talking about selecting the right pair of binoculars for your hunting needs. A good pair of binoculars can help you harvest more big game animals than just about any other hunting equipment. They can help to enable you to locate more animals from a distance that would be impossible with your normal vision. But there are many nuances you might want to consider before buying your next set of binos. We'll talk about different magnifications, objective lens sizes, the glass coatings, and overall size. Let's start with magnification. Magnification, or power, is one of the most important considerations when choosing a pair of hunting binos. To understand magnification, note the first number in a binocular description, such as a 10 by 42. These binoculars have a magnification power of 10, meaning that an object you are looking at will appear 10 times closer than it would to your naked eye. So an animal standing at 400 yards away will appear 40 yards away through 10x binos. Now it might seem logical to think the highest power is best, but typically the higher the power, the more sensitive to small movements the binoculars will be, making it quite a bit harder to use for most hunters. If the majority of your hunting is done in dense forest, you might want to have an 8 or 10 power set of binos. Whereas if hunting more open terrain, like in the western US, you might want to carry a pair of 12 or even 15 power. The next thing to consider when choosing the right binos for you is the objective lens. These are the large lenses on the front of a pair of binoculars measured in millimeters. The objective lens is the second number in the description, so the 42 in that 10 by 42. The importance of objective lens size is mostly related to the amount of light a lens will gather. With larger lenses allowing more light, they are typically more effective in low light conditions when animals are most likely on the move. Now this doesn't mean go and buy a pair of binoculars with the largest objective lens you can find. Much like that higher magnification, the larger objective lenses have their trade-off as well. They'll be much heavier. You'll want to find the right pair for your conditions. Maybe something like a 10 by 42 in most conditions. Now the coating on binocular lenses are also an important consideration. So much in fact, coatings are critical to how well you can see animals far away through your binos. A good lens coating will help to reduce light reflection off the glass surfaces to further enhance the quality of that image. With an uncoated lens, light transmission from objective to ocular lenses might be less than 60%, whereas a good lens coating can raise that up to nearly 95% transmission of light. There's three major categories when looking at the coatings of the lenses. Coated, where at least one optical element has a coating on at least one surface. Full coated, where all lenses and glass surfaces have a coating. And finally, multi-coated, where at least one of the major optical elements has multiple coatings of an anti-reflective compound on at least one surface. Finally, choosing the right size of your hunting binoculars involves much more than just how heavy they are. When you are having to carry them to and from your hunting location, think about them in either being in a bino harness or in your pack. Size of the binoculars will be closely related to the size of the objective lens discussed earlier. If you're bow hunting in dense vegetation, you might consider something like an 8 by 42 set. This will help to make long days in the field much less tiresome. Choosing the correct size of binoculars has more to do with your style of hunting than just about anything else. But by considering the information I've talked about in this video when buying your next pair, it will help to make sure you're best prepared for the next time you head to the field. Good luck on your next adventure, and thanks for watching this video here on Hunters Connect.